label provides information on 3 specific tyre qualities: energy efficiency, tyre grip on wet roads, and the intensity of pass-by noise. For the first 2 criteria, A represents the highest grade. For pass-by noise, an absolute value is given in decibels. This makes it understandable for the consumer and provides an instant overview. Tina also wants to know exactly what the individual characteristics mean, and more specifically, what individual grades mean. The tyre retailer will be happy to explain the information shown on the label. First of all, they look at the energy efficiency of the tyre, which influences the vehicle's fuel consumption. Reducing rolling resistance always saves fuel and lowers CO2 emissions. What's the difference between a Category B tyre and C tyre? Let's put it to the test. The test begins in Hanover. A tyre from fuel Category C uses almost 0.12 more litres of fuel over a distance of 100 kilometers than a tyre from Category B. Tina travels the length of Germany and Switzerland to northern Italy. The journey ends in Milan after 1,000 kilometers. C tyres have used over 1.2 litres of fuel, more than Class B tyres. The same applies to other routes of the length of 1,000 kilometers, from Flensburg to Munich, or Le Havre to Marseille, from Barcelona to Sevilla, and from Rome to Palermo. Our calculations can be applied to other categories. Class E tyres use 2.4 litres of fuel, more over 1,000 kilometers than Class B tyres. D has not been assigned a value. The issue of fuel consumption is clear. What about braking distance on wet roads? Tina and the tyre retailer do the test. A braking Class A tyre stops in the shortest time from a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. A car with Class B tyres stops 3 meters later. Class C tyres need 4 extra meters to stop. And the same applies to Classes E and F, which stop after a further 5 and 6 meters respectively. D and G tyres have not been assigned a value. To summarise, the difference in braking distances for Class A and F tyres can be as much as 18 meters. Let's look closer once again. A car with Class A tyres stops fastest. At the same time, a car with Class B tyres is still moving with a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. A car with Class C tyres is still moving with a speed of 34 kilometers per hour. A car with Class E tyres is passing by with a speed of 42 kilometers per hour, while a car with Class F tyres is passing the car with Class A tyres at a speed of 49 kilometers per hour. Now for the final point, noise levels. Tina has learnt that there are 3 classes that characterise the external noise of a tyre. The different noise symbols on the label show absolute decibel values. Braking on dry and wet surfaces or driving on dry and wet roads also play a very important role in choosing good tyres. There are also no specific winter criteria. What about pulling out in the snow? Does the tyre slip when driving uphill in snow? What happens when braking on snow and ice? How does driving below 7 degrees Celsius feel?